to the Absolute Twin Sands Resort and Spa Phase 2, our spring update. We're well into the high season now. It's almost Songkran, which is the Thai New Year, and we've got some great progress to show you today. All the tiling is now complete in the majority of units in Block C. The internal doors are being fitted and most of the paintwork is complete on the ground floor units. The air-conditioned units are fitted now, and as you can see, most of the windows are now installed on all the balconies. And rendering of the building exterior has commenced. We're here on the rooftop of Building D. We can see the decking area being fitted, the pools being installed, and it needs just painting and the final finish on the top deck area. And the Phase 2 swimming pool is now tiled and ready for testing. A quality Schindler lift has been installed in Block C. Our transformers arrived and all our electricity and panels are now being installed. And it's been a lovely afternoon down here at the Absolute Twin Sands for the Phase 2 update. I hope you've enjoyed and you've seen what's going on. It's a lovely afternoon here. Overlooking the Merlin Beach, the Tri Trung Beach. We can see the Rosewood coming along nicely, due to open in the first quarter 2016. We look forward to seeing you online, and I hope you're following us on one of our 3 webcams so you can see live progress, how we're building here. You should have the details on our update emails we're sending you. From Twin Sands, it's Brian Lunt, and I look forward to seeing you for the summer updates.